Hi guys! Welcome to this very short clip. Gusto ko na ipakita sa inyo and sa mga hindi pa or sa hindi pa nakakaalam yung ating Epson L3210 ay kayang mag-print ng borderless. So ito na yung result ng ating borderless printing using dye ink with our Epson L3210. Yan, dye ink yan. As you can see, nag-print siya ng borderless. Okay, so medyo matagal yung printing niya kasi nga photo print yung settings niya. Kahit nga standard lang yung settings niya na photo print, medyo matagal pa rin siyang lumabas. So ayan nga, at unti-unti na lumalabas yung ating borderless na print. Again, using our Epson L3210. Ay, sorry, hindi pala yun. Ay! Yan. Yan nga pala yung actual speed niya pag nag-print using standard photo print. Yung settings na pala is nakamat yung yung paper, and then yung quality is naka-standard lang. Pero kahit standard siya, as you can see, goods na goods pa rin yung result niya. And yung ating printer is nasa 2 years old na siguro to. Original pa rin yung kanyang head. Sa awa ng Diyos, okay pa naman. Alright. So yun lang guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Babush!